So today has the potential to be a very exciting day. We're gonna go to Fry's Electronics and try to get the DJI Spark, one of the little small drones. My first drone.
We're getting a drone.
I'm deciding to get the Spark because it's the smallest one DJI offers, and I've never flown a drone before, so probably best to start small. So we are about to open the DJI Spark for the first time.
Xavier has been doing so much research, and we decided that for our needs, this is the best option.
So this was the Fly More combo, which comes with styrofoam case with the Spark inside, and this big shoulder bag. It also comes with a charger and 2 extra batteries. There it is. Let's see. Here's the battery.
Was it everything you imagined?
Yeah. It's so small though. Look at it.
Oh gosh.
For comparison, here's the Spark. Here's my iPhone. As you can see, the Spark is tiny. So there's a battery attached already, and then the spare battery. Okay, so inside the shoulder bag, it comes with the remote and some charging cables.
Oh, look, there's extra wings here.
Yeah, extra propellers. Here's the remote. These pop down so you can put your phone inside. Okay, I believe this is where you charge the battery.
It's heavier than I thought it would be.
Yeah. Comes with propeller guards, which I will be using the first time I fly it. Here's how you charge the drone itself. The bag's really nice, comes with lots of compartments. Okay. A very fat instructions manual. To start, we're going to charge the battery. Let's put this into here. So you can disconnect the battery. These levers on the sides, squeeze them down, pop the battery out. We can charge 2 batteries at once, so we're going to do that. This goes into the side of it. Into a wall outlet. Okay, so while we wait for the batteries to charge, I'm going to try to charge the remote too. So it comes with this white USB cable. Plug it into the bottom, and then the remote charger actually has USB ports, so you can just stick this in right there. Okay, so both battery and remote are charging, and now we wait. Also, when you get a drone, you have to register it to fly with the FAA. It's only $5, and they just require a serial number, so I'm going to go finish that right now. Okay, so I was currently in the process of it, but then I was told I was needed the serial number. So I'm just going to enter it in right now. So when you take the battery pack out, there's going to be the Wi-Fi password and username, and then underneath that is the serial number, which will you use to register your drone with the FAA. Okay, so I've just successfully registered my drone. Now they're going to give you a registration number that you have to attach to the drone, which you can find in your registered inventory. Okay, while we continue to wait for the batteries to charge, I'm going to put on these propeller guards. This is just a safety precaution when you first learn to fly. I've never flown a drone before, so I figured it's smart. But there's these 4 guards for each, one for each propeller, and it just kind of protects the drone's propellers in case you crash it into a wall or something like a tree, anything like that. So 2 of these propeller guards are going to have a little white dot underneath, and then 2 of them will not. Those correspond with the white dots on the drone's propellers. So to attach the bumper guards, take this little white dot, match it up with the white circle on the propeller. You're going to take the circle, place it through the bottom, slide it, push the clasp over, and then let it lock into place. And that's it. Okay, so the batteries are about charged, so we're going to try it now. Remove the plastic seal and pop it into the back. Actually, before we do that, we're going to need the Wi-Fi password. I have now downloaded the DJI Go 4 app for the phone, which will be my screen while I'm flying.